Hey guys, let's learn to play You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch. Let's go. All right, that was my 15th take, I think, but got through it. Hey guys, on webpianoteacher.com, you get step-by-step lessons, measure by measure, all the way through for this, as well as you get to download my big sheet for this. Great one to play during the holidays, as well as like 43 Christmas songs I've done on the website now. All right, so I'll see you on the website. I hope you guys enjoyed that performance. It took me all morning to get through it. I'll talk to you later.